Are you looking for the best desoldering wicks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best desoldering wicks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the VILALY No Clean Flux Solder Wick Braid. The VILALY No Clean Flux Solder Wick Braid is a pure copper wire wick designed to quickly and easily remove solder from circuit boards. It is made with a no-clean flux formula that leaves little to no residue and is easy to use. Simply place it over the area where you want to remove the solder and heat it up. The residues left behind are non-conductive and halide-free. Up next in the 4th place is the Austor Desoldering Sucker and 6-piece Solder Braid Wick. The Austor Desoldering Sucker and 6-piece solder braid wick is a high-efficiency solder sucker that comes with 6 pieces of copper solder braid in 3 different sizes. The desoldering pump is designed with a double ring and vacuum open button for easy removal of solder from circuit boards. The desoldering braid wick has a geometrically precise weave and is infused with rosin to clean spare solder on pins and avoid short circuits. Made of premium quality ABS material, the desoldering pump body is anti-static, heat-resistant, and durable. This 7-in-1 solder removal tool is perfect for correcting mistakes on small PCB boards, removing relays and other components from printed circuit boards, cleaning small components, resoldering, and desoldering. The 3rd product on our list is the Glhaoss Solder Wick Braid. Glhaoss Solder Wick is a high-quality soldering wick braid designed to efficiently remove excess solder from electronic circuit boards. With its 2.5 mm width and 5 feet length, this solder wick is perfect for daily work needs. The ultra-thin 100% pure copper braid quickly absorbs molten solder, leaving a clean working area. Its excellent thermal conductivity and short heating time protect sensitive pads, solder joints, and SMD components from damage. This solder wick is a valuable tool for professional maintenance personnel, allowing for easy cleaning of solder joints and pads on circuit boards. Glhaoss Solder Wick provides great convenience and efficiency in replacing faulty electronic components. Thank you for your support. 2nd on our list is the Hotop 6-piece Solder Wicks. The Hotop solder wicks are a set of 6 no-clean solder braided wicks in various sizes, including 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, and 3.5 mm. With a length of 1.5 meters, these wicks provide enough quantity and length for your daily desoldering needs. The no-clean design ensures that the wicks leave minimal residues, which are non-conductive and non-corrosive, saving you time on board cleaning. Made of high-quality copper wires, the wicks feature a precise weaving design that enhances the capillary effect and solder-absorbing ability, increasing your efficiency. Suitable for labs, home, and industry welding work, these solder wicks are practical tools for removing solder and correcting errors on small PCB boards. They are easy to use and will not damage the board, making them perfect for resoldering and desoldering small components. Finally, the top product on our list is the QUINTEX Solder Wick Braid Copper Wire. QUINTEX Solder Wick Braid Copper Wire is a high-quality, ultra-thin 100% pure braided copper wire with 2% RMA flux. It is 10 feet long x 2.5 mm wide, with fine geometrical design for efficient solder wicking. It leaves low residue, halide-free, non-conductive, non-corrosive, and rose-compliant residues. It has strong capillary action, excellent thermal conductivity, and is suitable for all kinds of electronic circuit boards. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.